first visit to state of Meghalaya. From yesterday, I could able to interact with many Congress senior leaders and also the bloc presidents and those who have contested the elections. They are all in a happy mood. They are all want to bring back regime in the state of Meghalaya. They are all unitedly, they have assured that they all will unitedly work for the betterment of the Congress party for the coming parliament election. Whatever the direction given by the AICC, they are ready to carry out. And we have discussed about the booth committees, and we will discuss about the how to go and to propagate the Congress achievements. There are a lot of things. See, already Congress High Command has constituted the screening committee for the selection of the candidates, and we have AICC has formed a committee to negotiate with the India bloc. So that process is under already they started the process. So they are in touch with all the alliance partners of the India bloc. So very soon we will come up, but this time we will declare the candidate in a early time itself, because already we have formed the screening committee. So very soon we will come out with the candidates and we'll start our campaign. People of Meghalaya has always stood with the Congress party. Those who were in Congress, after enjoying the verdict of the people in favor of the Congress, they only have hijacked the Congress party and their victory, and they have taken away. So, but always people wants the Congress to be there. People stood with the Congress. So when our Congress leaders, workers, when they interact with the people, people are telling that they want the Congress back. So the mood of the people is also the same. The reason by-election, I mean five state elections, though Congress lost the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, but the reason by-election itself in Rajasthan, within a month time, not even a month, in the minister of the BJP government, he lost to Congress candidate. So this is the real verdict. This is the mood of the people in Rajasthan. Anybody can understand. A minister, sitting minister, within a month time, losing the by-election means, so that is the real mood of the people of the Rajasthan.